A stylus is a must for every tablet to surf through. Today we're going to unbox Flipkart Smart Buy Passive Stylus for Realme Pad. Hi friends, I'm Pradeep here from Praditech. Welcome back to another video. So let's get started. This is the retail box from Flipkart. As usual, box quality is good. So let's quickly cut through the box and get the stylus. Once we open the box, we have a stylus box secured with the cardboard papers and polythene cover. And this is the actual black box of the stylus, sealed from both the end. Price mentioned on the box is 999, but you'll get it for much cheaper. So let's cut through this box and see what we have inside. First thing, we have a stylus itself, which is well secured in the box. Again, a stylus is covered with a thin cover to protect it from scratches. At the first thing, stylus feels very lightweight in the hand. You can also see Flipkart Smart Buy logo is embossed on the cap. This stylus is made of metal, which feels sturdy in the hand. As I said, this comes with a lightweight design. In order to access the disc tip, we have to unscrew the cap. This stylus comes in 2-in-1 capacitive touch. Top point is transparent disc tip, which is easily replaceable. Please be noted, we have only one disc tip provided in the box. This disc rotates in all the direction, which will be easy while taking notes or while drawing. On the other point, we find a Micronet hybrid fiber tip. That means the stylus can be used from both the points, again, which is very convenient. So let's quickly write something on the pad using both the points and see how it performs. This stylus doesn't require any kind of cells or charge to operate. It's just kind of open and use design. Primarily, I'm using stylus with a disc tip. This tip is very unique, unlike the other stylus which have a pointed tip. While operating this tip, I did not feel any glitch where I could easily navigate. As I said, disc rotates in all the directions, where this is very convenient while you're writing or navigating. This is a sample test while using this stylus. The experience was very smooth. On the other point, which is a Micronet hybrid fiber tip, also feels good while writing or operating. There are no lag observed from both the end. At the end, I felt comfortable using the Micronet hybrid fiber tip over the transparent disc tip. So guys, my final verdict is, for the price under 300 rupees, the performance is good enough for casual use like coloring the pre-drawings, scrolling web pages, playing small games, etc. And one who is a professional may not feel comfortable. They have to find a better alternative. So that's all guys. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.